Kenyans are freezing over a video of a man who allegedly developed breathing difficulties while in a public service vehicle and then coughed to his death. The man in a MATATU along MOMBASA Road is said to have developed breathing problems and then coughed until his last breath. In a viral video making rounds on social media, the health officials are seen fumigating the PSV MATATU even before the body of the deceased would be removed from the MATATU. In another video, the health experts are then seen putting the body into a body bag. Sources are saying the incident happened on MOMBASA Road on Tuesday when the man started with breathing problems before he started coughing, and later succumbing to, most likely COVID-19, which is currently ravaging the nation. Eyewitnesses are saying it took several houses before health officials showed up the scene to pick the body, and as well fumigate the PSV MATATU. That's all I had for now, see you on the next update.